Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to print full page in Excel step by step. I'll be doing this on Windows, but it works the same on Mac with minor menu differences. Open your print preview by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard. You can also click File and then Print. When the print preview window opens, you'll see your spreadsheet on the right showing how it'll print, with all your settings on the left. On the left side in the Settings section, find the Scaling drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see options like No Scaling, Fit Sheet on one page, Fit all columns on one page, and Fit all rows on one page. Click Fit Sheet on one page. As soon as you select this, Excel will shrink your entire dataset to fit on one page, and the preview on the right will update to show everything on a single page. Check the preview pane on the right side of the screen. All your data should now be visible on one page. Look at the page counter at the bottom. It should say 1 of 1. This confirms everything's fitting on a single page. If the preview looks good and the text is readable, click the Print button at the top of the Settings section on the left. The Print dialog will appear and your document will send to the printer. Your spreadsheet will print with all the content scaled to fit on one page. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Excel won't warn you if your printout becomes too small to read. If you look at the preview and the text looks cramped or tiny, you have options. Try adjusting your margins to narrow instead. This reduces white space and lets you fit more content without excessive shrinking. You can also switch to landscape orientation if your data is wider than it is tall. Just use the orientation dropdown right above the scaling option. If you still need more space, consider reducing the font size manually before printing. Select your data, go to the Home tab, find the font section, and lower the size. This gives you precise control over readability without relying on automatic scaling. Thanks for watching.